I don't bring una all the way from Uganda matter. As the hot. The people right now, Uganda dey, in fact, make am not even toss it upside down because now that statement, very delicate condition. All in the name of presidency. My people, for una we no know the current president for Uganda, his name na Museveni. I beg no be my language, make una just take it like that. Yes, and now very serious matter dey because person don dey dethrone am, the one comot am for that seat wey e dey because according to them, they say the man don dey rule for how many years, say they don tire, and the man too no omo e no even gree comot for that seat o. Na the fight wey dey happen now. My people, una no go even guess who be the person wey dey fight this man. Hey, Bobby Wine. For una wey no know am na musician before now, he don put him head in hand everything for inside politics. And as I dey talk to una like this, na the youngest person for Africa wey dey run for presidency. No be small thing. The guy even try because some people no even get that mind. My people, the matter dey extremely delicate. This man don dey for president position since 1986, 35 years. Wetin dey swear for you? 35 years and you still dey fight. Hey. Now, the thing come dey pepper am for body and he don dey fear because he no wan make the young boy, you understand, take him seat. So now he dey ready to do anything. Now, why my people, even if they even they send officers, no be small thing, no, make they beat, torture the wife. In fact, they even naked them. They no be small thing, no. As I dey talk to una like this, the matter dey on ground. Now why I bring am so biko for una wey no know wetin dey happen for Uganda now. Biko, I don't come wake una up. Make we watch the video. Around, what arrest me? Monteri. Do that, make sure the video is on. We are ready. I'm saying what they have. You're following me. You're following me. Hey, Mutwali. Aye. Give me my money. Don't. You have my money. Do the fight. My money. My son. Wait, you can't touch me. 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 Shut if you want, you grab me. But you're not telling my mom. You're beating me. You're beating me. It's for the government. Is it supposed to touch me? Is it supposed to touch me? Is the gun supposed to touch me? Is the gun supposed to touch me? And why are you using it to touch me? Sarah, hold the woman. Get my money. You, is it what you want? You can't know. Get my money. Why? Get it. Una go agree with me now, say Africans, be these enemies of Africa. Now we, ourselves, now we be our own enemies. No, una just watch am. See wetin black person they do to a fellow black person. No, see am. All in the name of what? You don't dey rule these things since. Wetin happen to human rights? Wetin happen to all those things where they say they write for constitution, citizens, plenty nonsense. Wait, no, all those things where they put, wetin happen to them now? So now they don't exist again. Nobody care about any human being. We all just dey. Because of what? Person contest. Oh Lord. See, make I even shock una brain. Una no go believe say this man don't even shut down social media. No be just WhatsApp and this one. Like this now, you don't even fit chat your fellow person. You don't even fit send email. You don't even, as in, the man vex. You don't chop money, you don't save money. In fact, we don't even know what you won't use money again do. Greed na bad thing. Now wow, this one wey we see like this, my people, make we no even go far. Na Buhari brother be this. Na Buhari brother. No be all of them they do partners in shutting down social media so that we no go see their nonsense actions. Now then, like wetin they call that English? Birds of the same feathers. Now them be that. We need change in Africa. We need serious change in Africa, my people. Are they very serious? Because I don't know whether this man, na doctor prescribe say he's supposed to sit down for that place for how many years. I don't know whether na doctor prescription or I been a babalawo. I don't know. But we need change in this Africa. You understand? You don't be president even before they born me. Bros, how far? No, you say think am, see that gets more sense now. My prayer be say abeg Ugandans, I don't come call una out o. If una no wise up, if una no stand up, una go just cry last because this man just show una small taste of wetin they capable of. This thing wey just happen to this boy wife, na small taste of the medicine. So but like this thing wey don happen, I dey assume say una eye don suppose open. You understand? Enough na enough. Africa go change. Africa go change, my people. No be mouth. Una go see am. Although some people go lose their life in the process, but definitely change go come. May we not stop to dey pray. You understand? Yes, now the matter be this way they happen for Uganda right now. Hey, my people, I beg share this video, make everybody know wetin dey happen for this house. No forget to drop your comment. I want to know wetin you think concerning this matter and which message you want send across if you help person life. Yes, now 101 TV video like this. Don't go far. I will see you now later. If you know say you no fit carry responsibility, no go do. My people, man don't run away now just like that. as he put gundus, and so the wife can't give birth to four children at once. Wahala don wear shoe. No be small thing. And these people before now they been get 5 children before this last one. As they come do the woman can't go push again. Now 4 come out once. And so the man be like say pressure, be like say the whole thing he no fit carry am for head. And so the man just disappear because him been dey expect one. As he do now, he expect one. My people now so 4 come outside. The man japa, he pick race also. No be small matter. Nigeria. See wetin people they cry for. Now if you see they run, if they abandon, now they leave am. Una no know say this thing a blessing. I don't know why people, Africans, we no sabi appreciate good thing. Men, now una go still come outside though. They insult woman. When una marry woman, wey take time, wey she no born, you are barren, you are this, you are that. Where all those mother-in-laws, wicked mother-in-laws, una too join for this matter. Say woman no fit born, say she be man. Many insults. Una sabi una sef. Now this one don born. Wetin happen? No be run, you run. No, make una come outside talk now because I dey sure say this man wey run get mama. If this woman no been born now, we for the hear many stories, una go even post am for internet. Now she don't born, you dey run, you dey run. No, why you dey run? No be you give am belle, men una go dey do like say na woman dey impregnate herself. No, now wetin you put inside, she bring out. Abi my people, you put am, she bring am out. You no say you get 5 before you go do this one again. Poor people, I don't know if una don't notice this thing. Poor people sabi do. 1 minute like this, they don't enter. Another 1 hour, they don't enter. 10 seconds, they don't. Now the only thing, they be like foul. Poor people, they do like foul. You know how foul they do. And the annoying part for this woman, be say the man don't even get money. I don't tell her before. Men, I don't tell her, if you no get money, no get erection. I don't tell her before because now these things they cause her. See the woman now, helpless. She don't even know what she go do again. No, how this woman only her want take care of 9 children? Una don't think am. How? Now why to go school dey very important. E dey very important to go school, my people, because imagine say this woman go school, she go dey exposed. She go know about condom. No be say she no know as at now, but wetin she go do? She for know all these things. Family planning, you know, all those many things. But she no go school, and they show say the man too no go school. Bunch of abeg, make I no even insult these people, because the way the thing, I don't know if una dey feel wetin I dey feel. E dey vex me. No enter place where you know say you no go fit come out. No enter. Women, see, make we get sense. Oh, if no, because this woman now, even if you know dey pity yourself, you no go pity these children. I dey sure say very soon now, I no be say I dey pray for am, but na normal thing wey go happen. Before you know it now, they no go fit dey go school. Before you know it now, they no go fit dey chop. Many things. Now all these things they go see, make una dey careful. And dey careful with who una even dey marry. Now by force. You don't marry, you don't born 1, 2, 3. Stop for there. You know your financial situation. You still dey go dey do. You too, mumu. They tell you too, you open leg, they do. Now wow. See, Nigeria government, abeg, do something concerning this woman. Oh. Do something concerning this woman. Oh. And I dey beg you. Now why I like abroad? Why people, they know they waste time. Oh. If a president for white country hear this kind of thing, when I know hear the last one wey happen, woman wey give birth to how many? Na 8, I be waiting. Everything free. They pay for everything. They give her. Now like this is supposed to be. See, we supposed to encourage, even if they no try. You understand? Now out of say they no go school, but still make we try help. Now why I bring this video come now? I beg, if una know the woman, even if you don't know her, you don't need no person before you help her. You understand? Make we try join hands together. You understand? Support this woman because she need them. You know, easy. 9 children. I beg, you understand? And I dey sure say many of una even they look for fruit of the womb. As you dey help am, God will also do your own. So I beg, make we try, even if not small. You understand? And madam, congratulations, no, because many people dey wey no fit born. Although say you don't make mistake, but na still good thing. So make we rejoice with her. Yes, my people, na the matter be this. So for 101 TV Aproko show. If you know say you no wan miss any of these interesting things, no, they come, they go, they come, they go. Click on that subscription bell so that you go anytime where you drop on. You understand? You can just hear boom for your phone. Now like this is supposed to be. Don't forget, drop your comment for the comment section. Share this video, make it go viral, make people help this woman and like it because I know you enjoyed it. I will see you later.